Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn the web development. This is my second part where I will teach about the basic parts of the front end development. So what are those? First we have the HTML elements that you have already read in your school also. Instead I am going to show that also. There is a paragraph tag that we use typically by using this tag here. We write then this, what is this basically? This is our open tag, okay, and this is our closing tag. So this is how we write the paragraph. Then the next element is our heading element. How we write this? We write this by using h1 tag, this then the closing tag. Okay, this is the first tag. So here also heading tag also includes 6 types. Okay, what are those I am saying? First is our h1, that is the largest, then smaller than that, then smaller than that also, up to this, means up to 6 header is there, and here is our final. All have will there means close tag. Okay, and this you write by yourself. If I am writing, then it will waste time basically. Okay, so this is what the 2 elements that I have teach. Okay, then the next is our, that is how we will write in our code. Okay, so let's see that also. So I will open my VS Code. This is the VS Code. Here I am. So here I am getting a new, just like I am writing here. First .html. This .html is our extension. Okay, then I will write like this and then I will enter. So this is the boiler part, means in VS Code it is basically write the boiler parts, that is the main structure. Okay, so I am writing here the, suppose what I have teach today, that is our header file, header tag. So we will write h1, then this is the, okay. Now I want to show you how this will show in your web page. So I am opening it. So see, it is the header. Now what I have taught you, that header contains 6 tags. Okay, so just I am copying it right here. Okay, and just I am changing it. Okay, also I have to change here also. Okay, now see what it will show. So you can see that it is decreasing from first to bottom. Okay, this is our h1 tag, then this is our h2 tag, this is our h3 tag, then h4, h5, h6. Okay, and the next what I have taught, that is our paragraph tag. What is that? So suppose I am writing here. Okay, now so what? This is our header file. Okay, header tag basically, and this is our paragraph tag. Okay, so now I hope you have understood this. Up to this you all have understood. Now what if I want to means write in bold? Suppose I have to write someone names. Suppose I have to write this is a good boy named, and suppose I have to write someone's name just like Rohit, and I want to bold it. Then how we will write that? So just come here and again write a paragraph tag. See, it is he is a good boy, his name is Rohit, but Rohit's name is not in bold letter. So how we can bold it? For that we have to use a tag. That tag name is B, that is for bold tag. Here we have to write name and then our close tag. Okay, so let's implement it in our code. So you can see that here. Okay, now up to this, then our boiler part. What is boiler part basically? This is the statement format or skeleton of the writing HTML that I have already shown in the first. Means how you can write that? Just you have to write this symbol. Okay, then here is coming ambient abbreviation. Just click enter and then this is our boiler part. Means we don't have to remember the full structure of the HTML. Just we can just write that exclamation mark and then the full code will come. That is basically the skeleton part will come here. Okay. Okay, so now that's our next topic, that is the list form. Means suppose I have to write the name one by one, then how we will write that? Okay, means list in HTML. Okay, so for that we will write UL, that is our unordered list. Under this we have to write the list, that is li, and writing something, and then we have to close it, and also we have to close our unordered list. Okay, this is what. Now just implement that. Suppose I have to write here. Suppose I am writing heading. These are the good students. Okay, and I have to make the list. Okay, so how we will make it? Just this. Under this we have to write the list. Okay, suppose okay, these are the name of the students who are good. So how we will write? See, he is a good student and their name is written here. Okay, now you have a question that I want to write in alphabetic order. Just first is Rohan, second is Rohit, third is Pratham, and fourth is Subham. So how you will write that also? So for that, just you don't have to do anything. Just you have to change UL to OL. OL basically stands for order list. Okay, suppose I have written order list and then save it and then open. See. So what we will learn here, that this, and if you want in order way, then we use OL, that is order list. Okay, now what is HTML attribute? The HTML attribute I use to add more information to a tag. Suppose just this tag, HTML language is in English, that you have seen the first here. This is the HTML attribute. Okay, now what is anchor tag? Means anchor element. Anchor element is basically the element where we add link to your page. Means just you have to click on that and a new link will generate. Okay, so what is that? Just write here a, then hyperlink is equal to under inverted comma we have to give the link, then this will alter, means suppose by some fault it is not generated, then it will show. Otherwise that's not necessary, you just have to close it and write here anything means related to that and just close it. Okay, so let's implement it. Okay, first I have to write here hyperlink, then suppose www.google.com. okay, and write here Google. Again the next tag is suppose our YouTube. Okay, so www.youtube.com. okay, now just see this output. As you can see that here the link of this is Google, this is YouTube. Just click on Google. This is not opening as because this is not the hyperlink. Okay, so for that I have to write here the main hyperlink. Suppose here is Google. No, you have to write Google. So I have written the parent link. Okay, now if I open it, you can see Google and YouTube. If I click on Google, then the Google is opening, and if I am clicking on YouTube, then YouTube will open. Okay, up to this I hope you understood. Now the next part is how we can add the picture to our web page. So for that we have to use the img tag. Okay, so how we will use that? Just write that img is our source, then we have to write here link or image that is present in your file or in your PC. Okay, and if it not load, sometimes due to some error it is not get loaded. So for that we have to write here the related name of the image. Okay, so let's implement that also in our VS Code. Suppose I am writing here I image source, and suppose in Google I'm searching suppose this one I want to show. So for that I have to just copy the image address. Okay, then just I have to click here. Okay, this is the image address, and alter I have to write headphone and then close it. Image tag don't have any close tag, it is only have open tag. Now just open it, so you can see the picture is showing here. Okay, now suppose if by mistakenly the link gets corrupted or it is deleted by the owner, suppose like this. Okay, then what it will show? It will show the name basically here, means related to that picture. Sometimes you see in your website that when the net is slow you can see that picture here and the name. So this is the use of the alternate. Okay, now next is our br tag. What is br tag? Br tag is used to break the line to come in our next line. So what is that? This is the tag. Okay, this is just an open tag, no close is there. Suppose I have written a long paragraph and I want that this is a good place. Okay, then I don't want to continue here, I want to go to next line. So for that we will use our br tag. Okay, so for that what we will do, let's just delete this and write here a paragraph, normal paragraph, anything. Web page. Okay, and now I want to write in next line, suppose here. Begin. So for that we are using two paragraph tag. So this will also break the line. Suppose I am not using the two line, I am using suppose one. Suppose I am writing here. Okay, now open it. So you can see that this is coming in a one line, but I want it that I need this in the second line. So what is how we will do that? Just we have to write here break. See. Okay, up to this I have understood. As previously I have told you about the bold. So you have a question in mind that why I will write only bold, I want italic, I want underline. Okay, for that there is also many tags. Just for I, for italic, small I. Okay, for underline you have to use U for underline purpose. Suppose I have to write here in italic way, so I will write here I, and inside it I will write this, and I will delete this. So see, this will come in italic way. Okay, now suppose if I want it in underline way, so just I have to write U and here also U, then it will get underlined. Okay, up to this I hope you understood. Now the next tag is our HR tag, which is our horizontal rule element. This is also the same way like our break tag, but the main difference is that it break and also put a line between the two paragraphs, two headings or two tags or elements. Suppose I am writing here not P, suppose I am writing here a header file with a heading. Okay, now just run it.
You can see that this is and this, but I want it to be different, means I need here a horizontal line. So for that purpose I have to write here our HR tag. After writing the HR tag, you can see a line has appeared here. Okay, up to this I hope it's beginner level, so I don't want to teach a lot of things in one video. Keep supporting. I will again upload the video in intermediate and also the advanced level. I hope there will be 2 or 3 videos on HTML to make, and after HTML we will learn the CSS part, JavaScript, MongoDB and many more. Okay, so thanks for watching and keep supporting us.